Yeah, hello friends. Welcome back to my channel, and we are in the process of learn SQL easily. So today's agenda is SQL subqueries. Okay. So if you are watching my channel for the very first time, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So why we use subquery? And in general, in SQL statement, normally whenever we are extracting data from source system, right? So in the ETL process. And normally in extracting data from database tables. Why we need subquery? So here subquery's purpose is like the result what and all it depends like whenever if you want to extract data and you need to write another query based on that the resultant is depend on the another query. For example, I want to display employee-wise maximum salary, employee-wise maximum salary. So let me turn off the notifications here. So employee-wise maximum salary. What is the maximum salary drawing by department-wise? So not employee-wise. So department-wise, who is a person drawing maximum salary? So what is the syntax? What is the output for that? So we need to figure out department wise who is that person drawing the higher salary, and we need to display all the details. Okay. So here subquery or inner query or nested query is a query within the another query, and here the main query that is the result is dependent on the inner query embedded in the where class. So we'll be defining in the where class, and subquery is used to return the data that will be used in the main query, as I said just now, and as a condition to further restriction of the data to be retrieved. So here the main query data is dependent upon the subquery data. Subqueries can be used in select, insert, update, and delete statements as well. And these are the operators like equal, not equal, okay, and in between operators and all the stuff. We'll be using this subquery. Okay, so now let's see the more features of subqueries. There are few rules that subquery must be followed. Subquery must be enclosed with a parenthesis. So what is parenthesis? Like open brackets. I will show you while writing the query. Subquery can be having only one column in the select class unless the multiple columns are in the main query for the subquery compared to the selected columns. So here we can give one column or more than one column based on the relevant output. Here an order by command cannot be used in the subquery. So here order by command cannot be used in the subquery. Okay, so and the group command can be used. So grouping command can be used in the subquery. Okay, so grouping functions we have discussed in aggregator topic, aggregator functions. You can refer the video. Okay, so maybe third class, lecture third. Okay, so this is session 5. Subqueries that return more than one or one row only can be used in multiple value operators such as in operators. If it is returns more than one row, if it is returns more than one row, if it is returns more than one row, then we can use in operator. Okay. So subquery cannot be immediately enclosed within the set of functions. Here we cannot enclose within the set of functions. Between operators can be used in the between operators cannot be used in the subquery. So these are the mandatory things. Between operator cannot be used. Okay. So so these are the important rules that need to be followed in the subquery. So here we will work with a requirement. So here my requirement is like I need to display the employee details. Okay, so here in the employee details, just a minute, let me close this. 2 SQL sessions are open. Yeah. So I need to display the employee details, department wise, who is drawing maximum salary. Okay. So right. So now let's consider select. Let's select start from employee table where salary in, so select max salary from EMP, group by department number. Okay, so here I have used in class. Now let's see. Invalid object here. Oh, right. So here we have to use our table, right? Jesse schema, Jesse, JE. This is sorry, Jesse. Okay. So similarly here also use the Jesse schema, JESSY. Okay, so have to be accurate with the columns. Now let's execute the query. So here you can see, guys, department 10. Okay, so 20 department has salaries 3,000. Okay, so let's do one thing. We'll have use order by at the main query, not in the sub query. Order by salary or department number. Okay, now execute the query. Now we can see. So department number 10. So King is the highest salary. Okay, and 20. So if you see the department number 20. Okay, so here let's filter the data also so that you can understand better. Where department number is equals to 20. Okay. So 20 here we have 3,000 is the highest salary. Let's see in the actual data. So here 3,000, right? See 3,000. So the result is getting accurate. Okay. And if you see department number 30, let's see 30. So who is drawing highest salary? Blake 2850. Okay. So that is a person 2850 Blake. So is the highest salary. You can see the data 30. Okay. And if you see 10, you can see. So 10 here, King 5,000. Okay. And here we have 50, only one record. So that is the maximum salary and all. So this is the way to display the data. So with only one SQL statement, it's not possible. So that is the reason we need a subquery so that we will calculate the maximum salary on a department wise that has to compare with the main table. So that is the purpose of using this subquery. Okay. So now let's use the next topic. So having class is used to filter the data. Having class is to filter the data in the aggregator functions. Okay, so here we have aggregated data, so we can filter the data by using having class. And exist operator, exist and non-exist. So here we have salary exists. So here exists. Just a minute. So exists. So exists is to find any of the record, the given list. Okay. Exist any. Exist. So 1 second exist. So basic syntax. They produce to exist of any record in the subquery. It returns if that values exist. So then it will return the 0. Okay, so let's see the example in W3 SQL. So if you have any doubts related to SQL, you can refer this tutorial. So exist function. Okay. So here you should not use the column name. So that is the syntax issue. Okay. Okay, now let's zip the data. So here the value whatever and all it is present here in the query. So it has to reflect in the main query. If it is exists, then it will display all the records. Okay, so that is the purpose of this exist functions. Okay, not exist. You can use exit not also, not exit. Okay, so here what are the values present here is reflecting them. So that is the reason it is displaying zero records. So that's it for today, guys. So if you have any questions, you can text me in the comment section. So I'll be addressing your queries. Okay, so thank you, thanks for watching. Okay, so if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please click on subscribe button and click on the bell icon. Whenever I upload a video, you will get a notification. So every month the data stage training batch will be started. So please follow up my YouTube channel. So when the new batch will start, you'll get updates and notification. Okay, thank you guys. Have a great day.